We're going to review the top 5 best single golf club for beginners, that you can choose the right one for your purpose. Number 1. TaylorMade M4 Hybrid Rescue Club. The head of the TaylorMade M4 Hybrid Rescue Club provides a simple launch. And the redesigned sole has made this possible. This hybrid is designed to help golfers change the iron with higher, longer performance. You can consider it as a good beginner golf club. Low face strikes will be included with the speed pocket by retaining ball speed for persistent distance. Upgraded speed pocket to increase flexibility and distance across the face. Number 2. Callaway Golf Men's Rogue Individual Iron. If you are looking for accuracy and control in your game, this one is perfect for you. This golf club is made from high-end components which will help you improve your shots. The Men's Rogue Individual Iron is based on advanced and industry-leading technology. It is combined with accuracy, distance and playability. Combination of 360 face cup with variable face thickness (VFT) for high ball speed. Multi-material construction and urethane microspheres for better sound and feeling. Number 3. Wilson Golf Men's Ultra. These Wilson clubs will give you an uncompared feel of quality that only comes with expensive club sets. Golfers who just started playing can find their game to improve with these clubs. Although, the club set is not as complete as the Callaway Strata but still has some great club ranges. You get a driver, fairway wood, a hybrid and 6-9 irons. Pitching wedge and putter is also included, but the major drawback is a missing sand wedge. Adding one more fairway wood would have definitely added more value to this product. Number 4. Precise M3 Men's Complete Golf Clubs. The Precise M3 is a mid-range golf club set which comes at a decent price. If you are a tall person, there is good news for you. These club sets come in standard size as well as one made for the taller golfers. So, if you have been looking for beginner golf clubs for your tall height, this should be yours in your 5 best lists. Although we couldn't find anything unusual or special about these clubs, users have received this product pretty well. Number 5. Callaway Men's Strata. The Callaway Men's Strata Complete 12-piece set is very user-friendly and comes with 10 clubs that offer forgiveness on every shot. Whether you want the best value for your shots or dollars, this club set will not disappoint you. The clubs include a 460cc driver, a 3-wood, a 5H hybrid, pitching wedge, and a putter. 6-9 are the range of irons you're going to get here. The price at which this club set comes is irresistible for beginner golfers.